How to log out from Pinterest. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up list at the bottom, click on Settings. And if you scroll down to the actions section, you will see there's an option to log out. When you click on it, you will be logged out of your Pinterest account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can log out of Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, as usual, I will see you in the next video.